Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama. We're hanging out here in the coop. It is February the 9th, and it's early evening, and we're about 38, 39 degrees out here. Water bowl's doing the trick. Ugly water bowl's working. And May already came and got some lettuce from me. That was kind of sweet. I wonder if we could do it again. May, where are you, girlie? May. Oh, they're hanging out in the coop box. Let's see what. Oh, there's May. May. Oh, I need another worm cake over here. Oh, there's a little boy. Maybe he would like some. You want some lettuce? Who wants some lettuce? He's got the piece that May got earlier. Hey, May. Here's May. Come on, baby. Some lettuce? There we go. That's a good girl. Not quite to her liking, though. Let's see, I got some dry mealworms here. Wonder if they would like those. I bet they like those pretty good. Let's see who takes them. Here comes May. Oh, Dottie got the lettuce. Got a pretty cold breeze whipping through. It was a nice sunny day today, but that got a nice cold breeze coming in. Gonna get cold tonight. Oh. Still like them dry leaves pretty good. Come on, guys. Here's Dottie. Dottie wants some lettuce? Dottie. Nope. Not right now. Little boy's got his lettuce. He's running for it. Nobody gonna get it from him. Hey, you guys, I got mealworms over here. Who wants some mealworms? Let's see if they change their tune a little bit. We got George making a ruckus behind us. You feel better, May, that you got that dry leaf? You like the dry leaves better than the lettuce? Really? No, they probably break better than the lettuce does. Come on, guys, I got mealworms over here. So how'd you guys like all the distraction with the Chinese spy balloon? I mean, are we in the 50s? There's lots better technology than balloons. That's so silly. Oh well, they need something to distract us from all the corruption going on. But hey, that's not quail business. Here's my little birdies. What you guys doing? I got lettuce over here and I got mealworms. I sure do. Hi, little boy. Want some lettuce? Who wants lettuce? May wants some lettuce? Come on, May. I got mealworms too. No, she ain't having lettuce. They will after I leave. Little buggers. Did you just poo? There you go. Look, there's mealworms. You want some mealworms? Oh, now she's talking. Woohoo! She liked that. Get some mealworms, May. Here comes the crew. Uh-oh. Little boy find the mealworms. Want some lettuce? No. Don't want lettuce. Hi, May. Maybe don't want lettuce. You guys gonna get in the mealworms? They don't know what they want. They're spoiled. Spoiled, rotten little birds. That's okay. Hopefully here in the spring when it warms up and we get a little more daylight, we're gonna let the little girls go broody and hatch us out some babies, and we're gonna add to our little troop here. Yeah, that'll be fun. Have some little baby bumblebees buzzing around for a while. I hear Bob White Quail like to go broody and sit on their eggs, so we're gonna let them do that a little bit. A little drink of water there. I think for the most part we have a happy little troop here. Are you still working on that cantaloupe? One's pretty well picked down, the other one they kind of let go. Another little boy drinking water out of the big bowl. Yeah, it works. May got her another piece of lettuce when I wasn't looking. She hiding over there eating the lettuce like I don't know. Silly bird. Maybe she does like the lettuce better than dry old nasty leaves. There's little Missy. She gonna try a worm. Or not. I'm paying too much attention. I got George over there paying attention. What do you think, George? Silly cat. Uh-oh. Well, he's thinking about going up on the coop. I already know. No, you don't get to come in here. You sure don't. Oh, there he is. Hi, bud. Okay, well, that's enough of that side of it. the cat. Okay, well they didn't go as crazy over the mealworms as I would have expected, but that's probably because they ate the mealworm cake off of the stick over there. Mealworm cake's gone. We just got the seed cake there. I think I'm going to give them a little more lettuce and let them be for the night. Did y'all see we're up to 316 subscribers? That's very cool. Thank you, everyone. Sure appreciate it. Love all your likes and comments and questions. I'm thinking about doing a road trip here, not this weekend because I got inventory at work, but I think next weekend I got 2 days, and I'm thinking about doing another little road trip. So, I don't know. Might go out on another river. Or maybe to Hell's Canyon. Haven't been out there in a while. The snow's mostly gone, so it won't be quite as pretty, but might see some critters. I'm gonna go out there and see some deer, sometimes some elk. I've even seen a mountain goat or two when I was out there at the dam, so might head out that way. Depends on how much energy I have. And of course I got a McCall trip in mind too. Ice Fest was last weekend, the weekend before. That's a pretty cool time. I guess they were pretty busy. Would have been fun to get some shots of all the deer in town. I'll make it out there. Maybe even Crystal Mountain this summer. I'd like to make it back out to Crystal Mountain. Haven't been there in a while. That's kind of cool. Well, okay, everybody. Little birds seem pretty well set. We got lots of water, lots of food. Doing good out here. So I think gonna have to say goodnight. Yep. Thanks again. Getting me to 316. Let's see how much we can get this month. Make it grow even more. That'd be awesome. Okay, everybody. I think I'm gonna say bye for now. Take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.